These Govee RGBIC strip lights stretch over 65 and 6/10 feet, making them ideal for wrapping an entire bedroom or living room with continuous color. The coated design feels sturdy and flexible in person, helping protect the light strip from everyday dust and minor moisture while still bending cleanly around corners. Segmented RGBIC control lets different parts of the strip glow in separate colors at the same time, so you get smooth gradients and more complex effects than basic red, green, blue strips. Built-in Wi-Fi and support for both Alexa and Google Assistant make hands-free control very reliable, from turning the lights on to changing scenes without touching your phone. The Govee app offers deep customization with scene presets, user-shared designs, and fine-tuning for brightness and color, which makes it easy to dial in exactly the mood you want. Music sync mode responds quickly to songs or game audio, turning the strip into an immersive backdrop that pulses and shifts in time with the beat.